Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite summer snacks right now. These are snacks that are so easy to make and really are awesome to have during these hot summer months. So if you guys like snacking like I do, please subscribe and keep watching. Alright, welcome back. So with all my snack videos, I make sure that the ingredients are little and that the time it takes to make the snacks is very short. So with this first one, I wanted to share a very simple yogurt recipe. And that is just having some Greek yogurt, topping it with a little bit of almond butter, jelly, and then almonds for a crunch. Super easy, super simple, and very satisfying. This next recipe, if you can even call it that, is because of my love for raspberries and dark chocolate. So with this recipe, all I did was take some raspberries, nice fresh raspberries, and stuffed it with some dark chocolate. I used two kinds, milk chocolate and dark chocolate, but personally I love the dark chocolate. So this one is just so easy and satisfies that sweet tooth. Alright, so for this next recipe, I wanted to do a combination of fruit and chocolate. So I took some of the Ruby cacao wafers that I found at Trader Joe's, kind of a mix between milk chocolate and white chocolate, and then I took some banana slices and dipped it in that Ruby cacao wafers, and then I froze it for about an hour. You get these deliciously soft frozen bananas that are covered in that chocolate. Seriously, a perfect snack for the hot summer days. Alright, for the last recipe, I again wanted to share my love of fruit and chocolate. So I laid out some strawberry slices, topped it with some blueberries, and then melted some dark chocolate and topped everything off with that. Then I just placed it in the freezer for about an hour or two, and when they came out, it was this delicious mix of hard chocolate on top of soft frozen fruit. So good, and again, so refreshing on a hot summer day. Alright, there you guys go. Very simple summer snack ideas that you can easily make with fresh ingredients that you can find at the farmer's market or at your local grocery stores. I hope you enjoyed this video. There is a lot more where this came from, so stay tuned this summer. And if you guys like these types of snack videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.